Hi everyone, my name's Siobhan, and in this video today we are going to do neon additive hand painted flower. And this is just one of the designs you can do. You can do different designs. I've done these two so far. You could pretty much do any design because it's just the hand painted design in the white with the additives put on top in the sticky layer. The key is just to take the sticky layer off the top coat before you put the additives on, otherwise the additives are going to stick to the whole thing so you won't see the pattern. So for this design I'm going to do 2 coats of CND Blackpool. I'll then do a coat of CND Top Coat. I will then take the sticky layer off and use CND Cream Puff to draw the initial design. Once that's cured, I'm then going to use the Licente neon additives in Snakebite, Dayglow, Graffiti, High Vis and Hip Hop. That will then give us the gradual blend on the flowers. have it, everyone. That's how you do the neon additives on the hand painted design. Thank you. See you later.